Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App unexpected error. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to check here is you want to actually check if you have a working or stable internet on your mobile device. So you want to actually just access your browser and check if you could actually search something on YouTube or in Google, or maybe go ahead and open up a ping tester where you could actually test if you have the proper internet connection. So this is a sample website that you could actually access, which is ptest.net, and you could test your interconnection if it's running stable. So if you confirm that you're actually running the your application or Cash App application in a stable interconnection, then you could actually check the next thing that you could do here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to open up your Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version for Cash App. So if there are any latest versions for Cash App, or there are updates for Cash App, you want to go ahead and open or install it in your mobile device. So once you've installed that, you want to actually check if that solves your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, you could do the third way for this to be solved. So the third way is you want to actually check if the servers for Cash App is running. So you could go to this website here, which is status.cash.app. It shows the current servers or current status of Cash App. So for example, you have the send and receive money option here. It's going to tell you if this feature is actually working right now in Cash App. So if no issues are encountered here, you should be able to actually access your Cash App, and this issue should no longer appear on your account. But if you do have any issues here, you just need to actually just wait for it to be fixed by the Cash App team or support team, and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.